Hello everybody, today we will open this smartphone. Is LG K30. Okay, let's start. Let's attack it. Okay, so we will start with this cover. Okay, it's easy, but first we should to remove SIM card support like that. It's here. It's easy. It's so easy. Just we need to find the point from where we need to start. Me, I will use my fingers, but you can use this spatula, for example, like that. Okay. 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 After we will attack screws. Okay. It's okay. Find battery, ID, touch. Okay. Just easy. It's the first time that I open this this model, this tape. Okay, I will open it by head. Okay, there. So with the cover together. Okay, here is the second cover, motherboard cover and support. Okay. Where is the battery? We disconnect the battery. Can use this. It's more safe. It's okay. There are no other screw. This is the camera. What else? This is the thing is LCD flex cable or connection. Okay, and after I can recover the motherboard. Okay. Should you be careful because the motherboard, one time past, or in the past, I broke the motherboard here. Look, because here it's fragile. Okay, this area is good, it's solid, but this area is fragile. So we should to go carefully. It's okay. Yes, this is the motherboard. I recover it. And now what we have here, so we have battery. I wouldn't remove it right now. And we have earphones or not, headphones connection. Yes, I say earphones. Vibrer, I don't know the name in English. We have the small speaker here, battery, and the screen. And for change the screen, always we can find complete screen. So it's easy to change it. Just you bring the new screen, you put your battery on, you put your motherboard like that. It's so easy. And it's the same operation with other smartphones generally. Okay, we make the cover, we screw it, and we close the phone. It's so easy. Okay, thank you for watching and waiting me for future video or the next videos.